Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you are visiting channel for a first time, then my introduction is on your screen. I'm thankful for each one of you because it's just you and just you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing software development languages and technologies with you. It's a mission which I am trying to drive with everyone whose aim is to establish career in software industry. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Also, press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Thank you. Let's start learning.
So friends, today we are going to talk about the very interesting topic in JavaScript, that is the mathematical operators. Now these mathematical operators are very important because it's it's a little bit tricky, and to prove this I will share you few scenarios which will definitely help in developing the interest in this session. So let's start. So I have, I'm in this simple page, the HTML page, which you are seeing here, and I will be using this to demonstrate you. So for first, uh, the mathematical operator we are going to talk about is addition. Okay. Now you will say that I know that this is an addition operator, and how this works. But I will say, just give me 2-3 minutes, because you may find, something new, interesting, which will force you to stay alert throughout the session. Now, before I start with the addition operator, there are the two type of the operators we have. Okay, one is binary, and another one is unary. Unary. So binary means that, because I always teach from the prospect, so that everyone should understand. If somebody don't have the knowledge, so should understand. Okay. So binary means that there will be a one operator and two operands. Okay, correct. Now unary means that you have only one operator, sorry, operand, and one operator. Okay, let us see the example. So A and B are your operand. Okay, and if I use the operator here plus, so that means two operand we have and one operator, right? Whereas if I have one operand and one, the operator, or the one operator, one operand, this is known as unary. I will explain you, don't worry. But I thought to give you the introduction so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now coming back to the addition operator, and now those 3 minutes which I requested you to give me, so that I can share you few tricky, the situations, few tricky, the scenarios, which will definitely, help you to stay alert throughout the session, starts now. Now, when I say the addition operator, means, it is going to add, right? It is going to help in addition, right? So let's say I have, let, okay, a, or you can say the variable as sum, right? And in this, what I'm doing is basically I will be storing the addition of two operands. Okay. So let's say sum equal 2 plus 3, right? That's also fine. So let's see how we can use this in our JavaScript, right? So okay, let me refresh this. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 3 is sorry is 5, right? You're seeing the value here, right? Now let me make it a small change. So let's say let sum, okay, let a equal 10, let b equal 50, okay, sum equal a plus b. Let's see. Some value. Now I will present the value here. Okay, 60 is the value, right? Now this is very easy, very simple. Now I'm making it a little bit tricky. So what is that trick? So the tricky situation is let because this this variable we have already declared. So I'm using the same let sum equal, okay. So now what will be the value? Can anyone please tell me? Now what will the value you will see in console log? Okay. So I mean everyone have given his their answers. Let's see whose answer matches. Tricky one, right? But this is just a small introduction. Let me give you some more tricky situations, right? Just see here. I mean, if this is the principle, right, then this is not a number. If I'm using minus sign here, right? So that's why I mean the it's a very interesting and tricky. So let's continue with where we have left. Now you have seen that if there is a string and if there is a number, so it will add string and the number will be the will be added. Now basically what this means is that if the first I mean this is a string, so this will also be treated as a string. Okay, easy. Any confusion? If you have any confusion, then just let me know. Okay, now uh, let's say I'm putting here as 5. 5 plus 3. What will be the value? Correct. 53. That is right. Okay. Now, I mean, so far we have talked about the addition operator in terms of our binary. We are using this addition operator as a binary operator. Now let's see in terms of the unary operator, right? So let's say uh, let a equal 10, okay, and a plus plus. Okay, now what does this mean? Right now the a variable value is 10. So here, if you see where I'm, where I am trying to, highlight it, here the value will be, please understand, here the value will be 10, and plus plus means 1, so equal to 11, right? So let's see. Okay, I mean the value is 11, right? Now this is, I mean, you will also see in like this. So what is the difference between a plus plus and plus plus a? So the difference is, here the value is 10 and you are adding 1. After, I mean, the first is value and then you are adding 1 into it, that is 11. Here what you are doing, you are ready to add 1. The first, first thing will be, you are adding 1 into the value 10. Okay, okay, that's the difference. Here first is value, okay, and then, I mean, this is plus plus, so you are adding 1. Okay, Priya says, uh can you give little bit more example? Sure, Priya, let me give you the, example. And this is seriously, I like, if you put some questions, if you show that yes, you have a doubt, it brings motivation, it brings, I mean, the more the energy to explain you. Let me explain you in with more better examples. So there is two terms we have: prefix and postfix. Two terms. Okay, let us understand. Prefix means that the operator is in prefix stage before the operand. Okay, so like this, operator comes first and then the operand. Whereas in postfix, we have the operand first and then the operator. Okay, clear? Now let's see. I will give you the example, and then, the things will be very much clear for you. Let us see this thing. So I am creating, two variables. One is a, and I'm giving the value as 100. Okay, and I'm creating the second variable, which is going to store a plus plus value, nothing else. Okay, now let's see what will be the value of postfix. operator. Okay. Now remember what I told you is that in this situation, first your a value will come, and then after that, the after the operation, your value will get increment by 1. Whereas in this, before the operation, your value will be get incremented. Okay, so let's see here. So according to you all, what should be the value of b here? Okay, few responses I got, and they are saying 101. But I will say you all missed your chocolate, because answer is incorrect. Let me show you how. Answer is 100, because I am again repeating, in a postfix, first operation will be performed and then the increment will happen. Whereas if I go with prefix, okay, then your answer will be correct. Okay, any confusion? No confusion? Very good. Now I have the another scenario. Let sum equal, okay, or let's not do this. Uh, let's say, okay, okay. Now what does this mean? This means that you are adding b into sum, okay, and then you are assigning this value. Assign this value in where? In sum. Okay, let's see. Correct. So what is happening? This is the one variable, b is the one variable. So you are adding b into the sum variable, and the addition is getting stored into sum variable. Correct? Easy. Okay. Now let's start with the another the operator, that is subtraction. Okay, let's start.